Take cover, come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm literally gonna have a fucking allergy attack now. Oh my fucking god.
This shit's fucking great.
What's going on? We got freaking Tyler in the crate today. And then we got Jensen.
Yeah, I didn't know he was that big.
Nah, he's so
And you got Happy.
he's dope.
But you and him can relate. I'm kidding, bro. Chill out. Oh! Slow down!
Dude, sorry. See?
I don't.
Oh yeah, I forgot that all Porsche base models are literally fucking 180 grand each brand new, and then drop down to 3 grand resale value.
Yeah. As he drives a base model Subaru.
Fuck. We on the way to Area 51 right now?
Filling up UFO.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not fucking for more than 35.
Alright, man. You need to put as much as you can together for real, because those guards are gonna come get us. Alright. We're going to Area 51.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like, yeah.
What the fuck is this bullshit?
We're
Fucking
going to
fishing over
Area
here
51
for
now,
a
for
fucking
real.
seatbelt.
Yeah. It's gonna be lit.
The old fire station.
Literally right here.
Yeah, that was cracked out.
This is cracking a fucking picture right there. A moving fucking picture.
Look at him. Do you think he's selling?
And man, you got some crack yesterday?
Go left. Whoa, whoa.
I don't know which way to fucking go, Finn. Stop. I'm not down from here.
Nah.
Are you really leaving?
Nah. Alright.
Oh, do you got air pressure back here?
I ain't been to sleep in 2 days to chase a paper. My life a movie, get your boy player, go and invite your neighbors. See, I'm starting from the bottom, why me do this shit with no help?
Okay. Tyler, scoot over. Scoot over. Okay, or just scoot back, that's fine.
You're the worst runner ever.
What up, bro?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, this isn't fucking metal. Oh, a train! Yeah! Alright, bet, your turn. Alright. I'm a skater boy. Bro, if y'all haven't already, go like my picture. For sure.
Welcome to MTV Crib. Right here. Park. Yeah. Can't use that.
Paid you for a reason. Sit here and film me. Alright, so do it.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're back again. Like that.
Dude, someone please fucking help me.
Big dream what I got, but don't mistake me for God. Last year around this time, I said fuck the music. About to throw in a towel and sell drugs for a living. But the most I ever seen was a kilo of white. And I ain't even wanna touch it like a nigga had stage fright. Got the pros and cons and I can be your ex-con. But I know that money right, so I can be the next on. Birmingham, Alabama, that's the city I'm in. Big beats, but they be ripping, I ain't trying to get in. I'm trying to get their bread up. My brother locked to the feds. If you ain't getting money, then it ain't no way you get fed. I know you heard what I said, I'm trying to get me some bread. If you ain't getting money, then it ain't no way you get fed. The sky's the limit that I'm